Okay, this is a tutorial from, Paul, what's your last name?
Fabrizio.
Fabrizio. He's gonna teach all of his customers how to use the portable generator and his, what is this thing called that you put in here?
It's a transfer switch for 10 circuits.
Transfer switch for 10 circuits. Okay, so take it away. So first thing we're doing,
Plug it in the generator.
okay,
It's a twist, they call it a twist lock. So you're gonna line up the prongs and then just give it a little twist. Oh. And it locks in. And the same thing on this end. This is the male side. And locks up.
cool. All right, next thing.
Starting the generator.
Okay, so what are we gonna do here?
All right, turn the generator on.
On.
Put it on choke. Fuel on.
Haven't ran it all summer. Testing the lights.
So I'm gonna pretend the lights go out.
All right,
So I'm just gonna shut the main off.
all right,
But you don't have to touch this when the lights go out.
all right.
So power's out. You come down here. You got your generator running like as we did.
Yeah,
And then you come down here. And these switches right here, you just hit everything up to generator. See it? You hear the generator kick up?
yeah.
Means something is on. All right, and then whatever you had labeled on generator should be working off a generator.
Okay, so I don't touch that.
No, not at all.
Not at all.
Not at all.
All right, so when the power comes back on, what happens then?
The lights come in,
Yeah,
like the power comes up, like right here.
yeah,
See the power comes on.
yeah,
See the lights come on.
yeah.
You just come down here and then put everything back online. That takes everything off the generator back to the circuit itself.
Okay. Turn on the generator and then come over here and turn these on to generator.
Correct.
And then when the power goes back on, you turn these back down and you make them go down to the line.
Correct.
And then I shut
Shut the generator off.
Shut the generator
Yeah.
off. All right, cool. All right, so shutting the generator off, I'm gonna leave it on right now. But when I shut it off, I turn that thing to fuel to off, but I let it run till it's done. Okay, so you unattach that. Because you're not using it anymore.
No.
Right, okay, I got it.
Then you just twist it and pull.
Got it, all right.